Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Monday, October the 11th. Market had an interesting day today. Ground to a nearly unchanged type of close, so we may be churning here in topping pattern. But until they break them, there's still more upside to go. The market is showing a lot of little breakouts, and let's take a look at some of them. Ascent Solar Technologies, the ASTI, which has been a kind of a laggard in the solar energy group, really in the last 5-6 weeks has really taken it to task and has run up from 2 to almost 5 this morning. But today, an explosive day, up $1.20, $1.19, up 35%, at one point up more than 50%. And although it wasn't that bad a close at all, it closed at the upper end of the range. The volume was tremendous for the stock. 2,982,400 shares. That's the biggest volume I've seen on ASTI in a long, long time. In any case, it could be that the left shoulder, head, and right shoulder that formed here and was completed with this breakout flag and then exploding today, initiated a new uptrend. We'll see. Next target 620. Blowout day for AUMN, gold and minerals, which we've been highlighting. And it pulled back dramatically last week. Today exploded for 520 or 27% on nearly 480,000 shares. Closed at right near the upper end of the range, almost at the top of the range, and a new all-time high. I'm not sure how much further this goes, but at this point, with today's reversal, we could probably see 28.30. AXU, another junior gold, is doing very well. After accelerating in August and September, it settled down here for a few days. Popped last week, consolidated for 2 days, and today jumped another 75 cents, 12.6%. Volume and technical surging. The stock has taken out my initial trading target. It's now an all-time high territory. And let's call an $8 target on it. Another gold resources, GORO, looking real good. Ran up August and September, formed a little pennant or mini coil, broke out, pulled back and retested, and then popped. Now the last 4 days has been spent in a little bit of a bull flag, but today at the end of the day reversed from 22.05 to 23.50, closed at 23.31, up 73 cents. And looks like if it takes out 23.90, 23.50, that we can move the stock up towards the 26.5, 27 range, my next trading target. Low-priced hyperdynamics has been accelerating after jumping, coiling, breaking out, and flagging. The stock has then moved up for four consecutive days, and today up another 11 cents, just 3.8%. But another new multi-year high, the highest level since 07. Trading target at 4 should be doable. Candy Technologies broke out today, got up to 521, right up near resistance and backed off a little bit, but still closed up 17 cents, 3.5% on the heaviest volume in 4 days. And if we can get any kind of follow through, I think the stock would reach the 5 3/4 range. My near-term target, 6 3/4 range, is my secondary target. LDK Solar, stellar day today after breaking out of the base and then coiling. The stock exploded for $1.46, or nearly 15% today. Heavy volume of 17.5 million shares, and that is the heaviest volume since last December. At this point, I'm looking for a move up towards the 12.5 range, followed by a secondary move up towards 14. Petro Resources, MHR, formerly Magnum Hunter, today broke out of a key 6-month coiling type base, surging 40 cents or 9.35% on 1.7 million shares, the heaviest volume since June, and may have initiated a new uptrend. We'll see if we can test the 5.5 area, which is the May high. That's our first target, followed by 6.5, 7. Neurocrine Biosciences, NBIX, followed through yesterday's breakout with a little bit of a pop and only up a couple percent, but this looks like it's headed for 9. That's our trading target. Secondary target at 11, 11.5. Another gold, Nev Sun Resources, NSU. Not moving as much yet, but this coiling pattern appears to have been taken out on Friday. Stock moved up another few cents today, but looking for a trading target around 6 1/4, followed by 8. Another mining company, REE, which has been also a swing trade of ours. Ran up, coiled, broke out on heavy volume, and then flagged, and today popped 78 cents or 10.6%. Looking for a breakout tomorrow that takes it above the 8 1/4 range, and if it does, a quick move to 9.5, 9.65 range would be our initial target, followed by secondary target at 12. one of the hottest junior solars right now is Renee Solar, SOL. You can see it's moved up steadily from the 5 range up to 14, and today up another 64 cents or 5% on 3.1 million. Looks like this is headed for my $15 trading target. Secondary target up at 18.5, 19. And Suntech Power had a big, also in that group, had a big pop today, up $1.07 or almost 12% on 9.25 million shares. That's the heaviest volumes since May, and looks like it's broken out of this base. Headed for my target around 11.25 range. Secondary target at 12.5. And lastly today is TSYS, Telecommunications Systems, which last Wednesday had a big explosive move, pulled back on Thursday, rallied back on Friday, and today up a little fraction, but we get out of this wedge. I think the stock explodes towards the $6 range, and then secondary, so let's call it $6.97, the initial target, and secondary target up around the $8 range. And that's it for today. There's some ideas to start you off.